Miguel. On this one we're going to explain how to install the impact perf. It actually takes the place of one of the second creasing die. So as we discussed, this machine comes with the impact perf. That's this item where you have the perf that goes all the way across, and then what you have is you have lengths of, for lack of a better term, like cutting sticks that you would put on the bottom where the perf would come down on top of the cutting sticks. And you want to make these the length of where you want your perf. Or if you want your perf to come all the way across the sheet, we have one that goes the length of the sheet. Okay, so this machine also, so it comes with the strike perf, which was here, this air cylinder. It comes with a continuous rotary perf, which was right down there. And then this is what's called the impact perf. So this allows you to do a bi-directional perf. Alright, so Johnny, let's show Miguel how to. So you open the safety cover, and what we're going to do is we're going to take out these, right, you have a first and a second creasing bar. We're going to take out the second one. You just push down and it pulls toward you. Okay, that's the top part of the creasing die. And then this is the bottom part of the creasing die.
This is the die. That's
the die itself. You can see that's what makes your crease right there. Let's see. You can see right there, it's a smooth, like a bump. Okay, so that comes out. And what we're going to do is we're going to take out the bottom channel. Is that correct, Johnny?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So there's set screws across the bottom of the bottom channel that we're going to unscrew. Okay, we're going to take out the bottom channel. Okay, so you have set screws all the way across.
But that's how it needs to go back in.
Okay, it needs to go back in the same way that you took it out. Okay, now we're going to put this, for lack of a better term, it's like a soft metal cutting stick, similar to a cutting stick on your paper cutter that you cut into. And that's what the perf rule is going to cut against. So that fits in the second creasing channel. So what we're doing is we're just fastening that in there so it sits nice and flush so the paper can pass over it. And then that perf rule is going to take the place. Okay, see what he's doing here is he's going to tighten the set screw so it stays in place.
Very lightly.
Okay. So now you have this cutting stick. We can install that perf rule on the top piece, and now that's going to be coming down, and that's what's going to create your cross perf. So this gives you your bi-directional perfs. So that goes underneath those air cylinders. Those air cylinders fire down. It just kind of places in there. This piece goes on top. So it's basically 3 pieces. Okay, is that it, Johnny?
That's it.
Okay, so now what we're going to do, I'm going to stop this video because it's getting kind of long, Miguel, but what we're going to do is we're going to close it up and then we'll do a bi-directional perf for you, okay?